I should take my glasses off. Sunglasses.
We're in the Muggins Mountain Wilderness in kind of a little rocky canyon, slot canyon type area. About 100 yards from the trailhead. Cool. A bit of a step down, huh?
You could do it, but
It keeps going down.
That's cool. Okay,
Going down.
try. If it hurts, I can feel that.
Get my feet down. Hold on here. Might be easier if you just sit down on the rocks.
There. Okay. It is easier, but I just couldn't get myself down there.
Kind of like a corn maze without the corn.
Oh, wow. So that's the end of that one. Well, this is cool about home behind.
Yeah, these rocks here are probably 30 feet tall, maybe. Really cool. I gotta watch my feet here. Gotta watch my feet, so I'm not sure if I'm getting a lot in the video.
This would be a fun place to take the kids.
And lose them. And lose them. Well, that's cool.
A selfie?
Just hope it don't start raining.
Let's see if we can do a selfie.
Oops.
My hair's a mess.
I don't know if this is getting us or not. Turn around. There we go. Get the video going here. Let it go.
So cool.
Yeah.
So cool.
Yep. Okay, where we're going right there. Okay, let me flip the camera back around so you don't have to look at myself. Here we go. Yeah, gotta watch your feet here.
I'm gonna have to take my shoes out. Walking on rocks. But we think we come out to something.
Daylight. Trailhead be right back up there if we could climb out.
Maybe parkour, maybe.
Yeah. cool rocks. Yeah, this just keeps going. I'm not sure how far. Probably all the way back to the road where we came in. We can maybe climb out right there or go back. Helicopter up there. I don't know if I can get him in the video. Nope. See, right up there is where we drove in. You can see the fence line. Goodness. Well,
Is that the end?
no.
Okay.
Climb out or keep going.
Well, it's pretty smooth over there.
Oh,
Looks pretty smooth over there. This is really neat.
yeah, we'll go this way just a little ways. Getting more and more shallow, but well, I don't know. Sides are getting more and more steep. Looks like it's getting more shallow overall, but it's going to be a long ways until you can walk up out of here. Could very easily mountain goat it if I was in a rock climbing. And we're opening up quite a bit. That's awesome. It's amazing what water can do. There, now we could easily walk up out of here. Neat.
Not further from our parking spot.
Not far. A couple hundred yards.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay, well, there's 9 minutes. I guess we oughta. I don't know if I can climb up out of here with only one hand. Oh yeah, we can get out of here. I'd be huffing and puffing like an old coot, but that's what I are. Okay. Won't bore you with this climb. Catch you later. Bye-bye. grab the weeds, they got stickers. That's where we came out down there. Through that slot. Got a little ways to go yet. Another 50 yards or so. Come on, you old mountain goat.
Holy cow. Do you picture where we came from?
Uh-huh.
That was amazing.
Yeah. Huffing and puffing like a steam engine. Okay. There's our wheels.
Oh my goodness.
I think we might make it.